Here's a rather interesting feature that some of you may not know about, and it's known as time to take action. This is found on realme, oppo phones, and many other Android phones. So to get here, here's where you can go to do this. To find the time to take action, use quick panel access, tap on settings here. Then in the search bar, type in the words time to take action. Okay, you're gonna type that in. When you do that, you'll see this here. As you enter here, it's gonna flash and it's now gonna take you to where you want to be. So what does this really do? Basically, if I press my volume up, you'll notice how this is gonna stay on the screen for about 3 seconds and then fade away. This also works for notifications. And let's just say you want that when a new notification shows up on your screen, you want it to stay up a little bit longer so you can actually catch it. So here's how it's gonna happen now. If I switch it to 10 seconds and I bring up my volume here, you'll notice that the volume panel will stay there longer than just the default 3 seconds. It's now gonna stay there for 10 seconds. So if you want that to be there for more than that, you can choose one of these here and it's up to you to make that decision. But I'm just showing you how this feature works. Like and sub.